It's your boy Glenn coming to you for the win. Yep. And I'm back with another video, you guys. What it is? What's up? And today I'm coming to you live with another layover vlog. And if you watched the last one, then you would know this one was coming because I am now in Kona, Hawaii, under quarantine, of course. But let me start off by showing you a little quick room tour because, you know, it's simple, but it works. And the views are decent, you know what I'm saying? So here's a mirror. Y'all know what it is with me and these mirrors. You know, simple bathroom, closet, bed. Y'all know what's good here. And then was able to go to the store. So I was able to get me some stuff. Like, you spend so much money on layovers on food. So I just went ahead and got me some stuff that I know will be okay for today and the flight tomorrow and even some of my next trips. So I got some bread, I got some ham, and I got some cheese. Simple. Give me simple sandwich. Got some gummies, got some fire chips, and then I went ahead and got me some Bacardi rum. Small bottle, keep it simple. That should last me, you know, today. I'm not gonna lie, but I'm gonna try to make it last. Then I'm gonna step outside and show you guys what this is, because I ain't never seen nothing like this before. Look at this. They have a basketball court right there. And that thing looks like legit. Like, I wanna go play right now. Like, legit, I want to go play basketball. I need to ask them if there's a ball anywhere, because that can definitely be my workout for today. And there's this open space, and this is where I'm assuming they do the luau's and other events, which, you know, pandemic life, I don't think it's gonna happen. But let me tell you this, the pool is open here. And I'm gonna do me a little workout real quick and see what else is around this property. And I'm gonna bring the GoPro and we can go to the pool. And they have a slide. Let's get to it. Okay, so before I actually do my workout, I'm going to try to finally put this drone to work, and I hope that it allows me to, as far as giving me clearance while I'm here. I don't know what, you know, is allowed to be shot on, but I'm gonna try to get some views for y'all. Look at this pool, you guys. And it continues on. And look at that, there is a water slide. So I'm looking forward to having the GoPro and going down that, assuming it's open. Oh, there's a lot of people here. Woo! Yo, that footage was freaking amazing. Really happy that I was able to pull it off. Finally, at a beautiful place too. So now to do my workout. and then enjoy the rest of this layover. And just like that, workout complete. Now to go freshen up and hop in this pool and possibly catch sunset. GoPro footage coming soon. Okay, you guys, so I'm looking at the water slide and it does not appear to be on or operative because I don't see a lifeguard there anymore, which means I don't think they can run it. And the water is not coming out, which makes me highly upset because I really wanted to get in the pool with the GoPro for the water slide. So now that might not even be a move. I'm kind of upset, like with myself for deciding to work out before going to the pool. Shoot. All right, you guys, after many delays, I finally made it to the pool. I'm gonna get in this thing. I don't even know how cold it's gonna be, but I gotta do what I gotta do. Here's the view. Here's me getting in. Water's not too bad. All right, you guys, I am back. The pool was fun, the views were fun, the sunset was everything, and this is just life, you know, and I'm enjoying it. You know, shout out to the crew room, shout out to the hotel, shout out to everything that's been going on so far. And you know, if you've been here before, I love you, my travel crew. Thank you for subscribing and sticking with me and viewing my videos. If you are new here, please subscribe, like these videos for the YouTube algorithm, and share this with all your friends and all your family, because we are going to grow together. And you guys do know this, but I'm gonna tell you again anyway. You have reached Glenn. Holla back at me again. Peace. I love y'all.
I'm a FLIGHT space ATTENDA. Yeah, don't you know what that mean? If you marry me, then you fly for free. I'm a FLIGHT space ATTENDA. Yeah, don't you know what that mean?